Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can post something on Facebook. So the progress of posting something on Facebook is extremely easy, and in this video I'm going to clearly run you through the steps on how to post something on Facebook. So the first thing you want to make sure to do is that your Wi-Fi is connected, because you do need to have Wi-Fi in order to post something on Facebook. The second thing you want to do and make sure to check is that your Facebook app is actually updated to the latest version, so you don't get any issues with posting. Once you have double checked that, all you need to do is open the Facebook app just like this. Then once you have opened the Facebook app, you will most likely immediately be redirected to your homepage right here. However, if you are not, and you're maybe on your menu or profile, then all you need to do is click here on the bottom of this taskbar and click on home. Then in order to start posting, literally all you need to do is go to the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you need to click on post right here. Then right here you can type whatever you want. So for example, I will just simply type test. And once you've typed test, you can of course add a photo or video. And in order to do that, you only need to click on that image icon here at the top of your keyboard. Then you have a lot of options right here. You have photo, video, tag people, activity, location, live video. You can even change the background color of your entire post. You can add a camera feature. You can add entire GIF. You can add some raise money features and music. It's a lot, but literally the most people will only use the photo and video option. So you click on it and you can choose whatever photo or video you want over for that Instagram or Facebook post, of course. For example, this one, and then I click on done. Literally right now, this is our post, and if you think your post turned out great, then what you can simply do is go to the top right corner of your screen and click on post, just like this. And it shouldn't take more than a few seconds to post it, and as you guys can see right here, now my post has been posted to my profile, and if I refresh this right here, we can see that now my post is on my Facebook profile, and that's how you can post something on Facebook. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.